You're flying high above the Pacific Ocean, 7 hours into your long-haul journey from New York to Tokyo. You've had your meal, maybe watched a movie, and you're settling in for the remaining stretch of the flight. But suddenly, the plane changes direction. Then comes the announcement from the cockpit: your flight is no longer headed to Tokyo. It's being diverted. But not to the nearest airport. Not even back to New York. It's heading to Dallas, Texas. This is exactly what happened to the passengers aboard American Airlines flight AA-167 on April 1, 2025. And no, it wasn't an April Fool's joke. AA-167 was scheduled to fly nonstop from John F. Kennedy Airport in New York to Tokyo's Haneda Airport, operated by a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. The aircraft departed in the morning and was cruising smoothly across the Pacific, making good progress toward Japan. But somewhere near the Alaskan coast, roughly 7 hours into the flight, the aircraft made a sharp turn back toward the United States. After nearly 12 hours in the air, it finally landed in Dallas, Texas. So what caused the sudden change in course? According to reports, the aircraft experienced a maintenance issue mid-flight. The airline has not released detailed information, but it was serious enough to cancel the long journey across the Pacific. Instead of heading to the nearest airport or returning to New York, the airline chose Dallas, its main hub. Dallas offered better access to maintenance facilities, flight crews, and scheduling support. But for the passengers, it was a logistical nightmare. After flying for 12 hours, they weren't even close to Tokyo. They were stuck in Texas, many of them exhausted and frustrated. Passengers were given hotel rooms, some at budget motels, and $12 meal vouchers, which many said were simply not enough. Social media posts quickly surfaced, criticizing how the situation was handled. The passengers had to wait overnight and were rebooked onto another flight to Tokyo the following day. That meant another 13 hours in the air. In total, some travelers spent over 25 hours flying across 2 days, not including delays or time spent waiting on the ground. American Airlines later issued an apology and confirmed that the diversion was for safety and operational reasons. While it may have made sense from a logistical standpoint, for the people on board, it felt like a massive inconvenience. This incident highlights how even the most routine international flights can take an unexpected turn. 1 minute you're heading toward your destination, and the next, you're thousands of miles off course, unsure of what comes next. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe for more real-life aviation stories and updates.